Alright, on Monday, I ordered the Corksport LED interior lights for the Mazda 6, and today we're gonna install them. So this is how it's gonna look in the packaging. The instructions are right here and all the LED lights, so we're gonna get to work. This is how they look like stock. They're yellowish and not as bright as the LEDs, so that's why we're gonna change right now my brother's trying to take out the cover from the corner. I think this is actually the hardest part of the install because you got to be delicate. There it is. There we go. So you can see the hooks, the plastic hooks on the side right there. You kind of have to just be careful with those so they don't snap. Ooh. So that's the stock versus the LED. Looks way different. There we go. Ooh, try it again. All right, first one's in. Hey! Just took off the cover, and this is the stock bulb right here, and we're about to replace it with a new one. So you kind of gotta, mess with the mounts, and then here comes the LED one. All right, let's test to see if this one turns on. Ooh, okay. You gotta put the hinge side last when you're putting it back in, but when you're taking it apart, you have to take those out first. So that's what we're doing right now. And it just snapped back in. Ooh, really bright. Okay, so these two are done. There we go. Here's how the stock looks on the interior light for under the door. And there's a little cutout, or like there's a little indents right there where you can put the screwdriver in to pry out the cover, and it should come out without damaging the plastic piece. So that's what we're doing right now. Might take a little bit of playing around though. Here's where that hinge is, where you have to leverage the flathead into to get it out. And now the bulb is exposed, and we're about to change it out. Careful not to burn your hands, because these things are pretty hot. That's why we're using a paper towel. Maybe not the best idea, but it works. If it doesn't light up the first time, try putting it in the other way. But this seems to be the right way. You just need to get it all the way in there. So it's finally in. All right, and we're putting in the cover. This one's easier to put on because it has like the little holes. Here's the difference with one of them installed and the other one stock. And then here's the bulb. We're taking it out. So here's how the stock bulb looks. And then we're getting the LED. So as long as the bulbs aren't defective, it should work. It just depends on what direction you put it in. It sometimes doesn't ignite, but this one seems to be with the right. The last is gonna be the license plate lights, and then the trunk lights. There we go. Not even center. Okay. Okay, so bulb is out. Popping that in. Ooh. Let's test to see if they're gonna work. And this is for the trunk light. There's no cover. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to buy that. It's good. There we go. That's the last one.